Hello, 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 hello.
Have you guys seen Skylar? I can't find her anywhere. You guys seen her? I like can't find her. It's weird. You guys know what she? You gotta put a rubber band in my hair.
Don't slap her, silly.
Where's my black one?
This is mine.
Where's my black one?
The black one's on this side.
Oh, what? Did you seriously have to put rubber bands in my hair?
I'm bald. That goes. So, why was the purpose of making this video, Lexi?
Let's see how many times she could hiccup. What? Did you stop hiccuping?
No, it comes up. Okay.
Oh, you still have it. Well, I don't know. Yeah, she has.
If you see me jump up and down, comment how many times you think I hiccup. Comment how many times you think, and if you do, then we will tell people to
watch your videos because we get a lot of views at my school.
So
we'll tell everyone in the school to watch you.
Yeah, and we'll like subscribe you on YouTube.
Yeah, we'll subscribe you. We'll subscribe any kind of channel that you have. Anyone, or we could subscribe anyone that you would like us to subscribe. We could subscribe to 8 people. So guess how many times she hiccuped, and you have to like actually look at her face to see.
Yeah, and if I go like that, like, then yeah.
Everything counts, even the ones that I made, like up there when I was standing. So guess how many hiccups there were.
And if you get them right, we'll mention you in our
we'll try to do everything to support you, okay?
Yes. We'll be like, check out her, check out her.
We'll be like, she's the best person. We'll put you in our awesome channels box and everything. Okay.
I'm gonna go like that a lot, cause like, I hate you.
Please watch this video.
Don't end it.
Okay, don't end yet.
Until we're done hiccuping. It's gonna be a lot. If I go like that or something, then I'm hiccuping. That one doesn't count. So they go away and then come back. It's weird. That was a loud one. You just stop hiccuping. Okay, I'm just gonna stop because I'm never gonna stop hiccuping, so bye. Oh, I love you, everyone.